Hi, welcome to this video. We're gonna guide you through how to recover Bybit account. So open Bybit app on your phone, click your human icon at the top left, followed by login if you already have an account, but of course you want to recover it, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and say that I forgot your password, right? So let me enter this Gmail account, for example, and say I'm having trouble logging in. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, just hit your email of your mobile number, right, or add your mobile number and hit reset password, and they're gonna send you of course an email to confirm that this is you who's making the changes, right, or this is you who wants to reset their password, or your mobile phone number, right, which you can add here depending on your country code or your country's zip code, and then, or yeah, your country code basically. So enter your phone number, hit reset password, and wait of course until Bybit sends you a code. This code will be used to recover your Bybit account. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.